Autoboxing and unboxing in Java. This is a most common board questions. Every year there is a question on autoboxing and unboxing. What is autoboxing and what is unboxing? Example and program. This is your autoboxing. What is autoboxing? Automatic conversion of a primitive type into its wrapper class object. Automatic conversion. This is your int. Int is the primitive data type. Integer is wrapper class. Int convert to integer wrapper class object. Int is the primitive data type and integer is wrapper class. For example, int num equal to 10. Int num equal to 10. Int is the primitive data type. Num is the variable. Value of num is 10. Integer obj equal to num. Integer is the wrapper class of int data type. Integer is the wrapper class of int and obj is the object name equal to num. That means the value of obj is now 10. 10 stores in object obj. Here Java automatically converts the primitive int value 10 into an integer object obj. That is your autoboxing. Autoboxing means direct or automatic conversion of primitive type into its wrapper class object. Now unboxing. What is unboxing? Unboxing is the reverse process of autoboxing. It is the automatic conversion of a wrapper class object into its corresponding primitive type. For example, here integer obj equal to 20. Integer is the wrapper class of int. Obj is the object name. Value of obj is 20. Now int num equal to obj. Int is the primitive data type. Num is the variable equal to obj. Now obj value of object obj 20 will store in the value of the variable num. Now here Java automatically extract the int value from the integer object. This is the integer object is 20. It extracts the value and stores in the int data type int variable num. Now value of num is 20. It automatically extracts the value and stores in the int data type. For example, this is your int a equal to 5. Int a equal to 5 means this is your int is primitive type. A is the primitive variable. This is your integer variable a. It stores 5. Now integer in a equal to a. That means this is your wrapper class. A is the object. This is a is the capital A is the wrapper class object equal to small a. That means your value 5. Now primitive to object. This is your conversion from primitive to object. That is it is your autoboxing. Now print autoboxed value equal to a. Unboxing integer b equal to 15. Int b equal to b. Integer b equal to 15 means this is your wrapper class object. The value of wrapper class object is 15. Now int b equal to b means it will convert from wrapper class object to primitive. So this is your unboxing. Now print this one. Output will be autoboxed value equal to 5, unboxed value equal to 15. So note, autoboxing means primitive to object and unboxing means object to primitive. These are the examples of wrapper classes in Java: primitive data type, wrapper class, and example of autoboxing. Byte, this is byte. Primitive data type is small letter b and wrapper class is in capital. Byte capital B, short capital S, int integer. This is different. Int is integer. Wrapper class of int is integer I capital. Long L capital, float F capital, double D capital, char character. These two integer. This is full name, character full name. All these are same but integer and character. Char character, int integer. Boolean B capital. This is your example of autoboxing. Byte B equal to 10 means this is your autoboxing primitive to wrapper class. Each primitive type in Java has a corresponding wrapper class in java.lang package. Every primitive type in Java has a corresponding wrapper class in java.lang package. Wrapper classes are objects that store primitive values. They are used in autoboxing or unboxing operations.